If you open your bathroom cabinet right now, there's a good chance the most expensive anti-aging cream sitting in there is physically incapable of doing what it promises. Starting in your mid-20s, your body's natural collagen production begins to drop by roughly 1% every single year. It's a steady, inevitable decline that has spawned a desperate multi-billion-dollar replacement industry. The first instinct for most of us is to try and replace it from the outside in, buying heavily marketed creams to literally rub collagen molecules straight back into our skin to restore lost firmness. But human skin is an evolutionary fortress. The physical structure of a collagen molecule is too massive to penetrate that tightly knit barrier. Because of this limitation, creams sold as topical collagen rely entirely on a marketing narrative. The physical mechanism to enter your skin doesn't exist. Since the outside-in approach is a physical impossibility, we are forced to look at the alternative, swallowing it in a powder. We have to determine if this approach reflects actual biological science or simply effective marketing. To figure that out, we have to move past the skin and look inside. Any supplement must survive a brutal first hurdle, the digestive tract. The prevailing expectation is that if you mix collagen powder into your morning coffee, it somehow gets routed directly to your face to fill in fine lines. Your stomach doesn't recognize a skin supplement, only protein. During digestion, that long collagen strand gets systematically dismantled into disconnected blocks called amino acids. Your body then distributes these materials to repair muscles or joints, completely bypassing your skin. Just eating collagen guarantees absolutely nothing for your face. You're simply providing generic protein parts. For this to work, there has to be a specific biological signal forcing the body to target those wrinkles. That required signal happens deep down at the cellular level, inside the dermis layer of your skin, where your actual tissue is manufactured. This is where the supplement industry developed a workaround: hydrolyzed collagen, often called peptides. This is collagen that has already been broken down enough to survive the gut and successfully enter your bloodstream. These peptides act as messengers, locking into fibroblasts to signal them to extrude new collagen. But it's a myth that this signal alone is enough. The factory stalls without raw materials already in your system, specifically zinc, copper, and vitamin C. Taking a supplement in a biological vacuum isn't effective. The powder provides the signal, but without vitamin C, the manufacturing process cannot physically complete. When we zoom out from the cellular level and look at actual human trials, the passage of time becomes the final crucial variable. Modern marketing has trained us to expect that if a skincare product doesn't deliver visible results in 14 days, it's a complete waste of money. This chart tracks clinical data measuring skin elasticity. Measurable physiological change doesn't begin to register until an absolute minimum of 8 to 12 weeks. Even then, researchers explicitly define these changes as modest. It functions merely as a slow support system. So if you're going to use oral collagen, there is a strict science-backed protocol. Buy only hydrolyzed peptides, pair them with vitamin C-rich foods, and commit to a 3-month trial. Collagen contributes to the margins of skin health, yet it remains secondary to foundational tools like daily sunscreen and retinoids.